Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol STEM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Not to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Just a big old day here. Majority of the gains came this morning, but to think that yesterday and then for the past several days the price was down here below 80 cents. Now it's closed up here just shy of $1.20. Overall, very solid day. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? If the price can stay up above $1.05, that would by far be the best case scenario for the chart and for the bulls. But by no means am I saying that if the price drops below $1.05, that everything's ruined or anything like that. Not saying that at all, just saying that would be, and that would make the chart look the strongest going forward. Just taking a step back and looking at the big picture and kind of the quote-unquote health of this move right here is, well, how can you judge if the health is still bullish? Well, just keep an eye on that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. As time goes by, that line's going to move its way upwards. And again, how can you judge the health? Well, as long as the price is up above that purple line, that means that the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health of the current move right now. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where some of these next battlegrounds at? There's two main ones that stand out to me. The first one is kind of what I like to call it the fun level, meaning it's the previous high. It's the fun one that everybody likes to talk about because, I mean, who doesn't like to talk about testing highs and then breaking to new highs? And that's what $1.35 represents. So yes, that is indeed a level of resistance. With that being said, though, usually there's other bridges that, first need to be crossed. And in this case, that first bridge right there at $1.26. So yes, again, $1.35 is indeed a level of resistance. But before you start having conversations about that, price first needs to get back above that $1.26 level, which you can see failed there a couple times. But all in all, very, very nice day. It'll be interesting to see if the bulls can start to build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.